little flowers. It's been long that we had interacted. So today I decided to interact with you all and share some important piece of information. As you all know that your oral exams are around the corner and they are about to start from 29th July. Yes, your oral exams are starting from 29th July. So for the oral exams, you need to know how you have to prepare yourself for the exams. So students, let me tell you subject wise. You have oral exams for the three subjects if we talk about classes 1 and 2. Classes 1 and 2 में आपके 3 oral exams हैं, Hindi, English and EVS. And now if we talk about classes 3, 4 and 5, you have 4 oral exams, Hindi, English, EVS and Social Studies. अब किस oral exam में कैसे prepare करना है और क्या-क्या prepare करना है? So let me tell you about the exams in detail. In English oral exams, there are 2 parts. One is reading and another is an activity. So reading आपकी 5 marks की है और activity आपकी 5 marks की है. तो reading में बेटा आपको Apurva ma'am will send a video and watch that video carefully that what all things you need to keep in mind while reading and while giving your reading exam. So let me tell you in brief that the reading exams are 5 marks and those 5 marks are divided as voice modulation means आप अपनी voice को कैसे up and down कर रहे हैं because you cannot talk at the single tone altogether. So you need to change your voice. So voice modulation and then is your pronunciation. How are you pronouncing the words? Okay. For example, pneumonia. Pneumonia starts from P. So we cannot call it as pneumonia. है ना? तो उसको P साइलेंट है और वो निमोनिया है. So आपको ऐसी चीजों का ध्यान रखना है how to pronounce the words during reading. And another is fluency. How fluently you are speaking. Like अगर मैं अभी अटक-अटक के बोलने लग जाऊँ, आप बोलोगे मैम को तो बोलना नहीं आता. So same goes for you also. So when you read, keep these 3 things in mind. Number 1 is your voice modulation. Number 2 is your pronunciation and number 3 is your fluency. So all together these 3 things will fetch you 5 marks of reading. तो reading अब हमें clear हो गया. Reading करते हुए हमें अपनी book अपने पास रखनी है. जो पेज नंबर नाम बोलेंगे we have to open it and with the pencil or with the pen we need to read line by line. So 5 marks for reading exams. Now let me tell you what you have to do in English activity. First I'll tell you about English activity. English activity आपकी फिर से 5 marks की है. Class 1 और 2 की बात करें तो Class 1 और 2 में English activity जो है वो है आपकी show and tell. Now what is show and tell? Show and tell means you will show something and you will talk about that thing. For example, I have a pen in my hand. So when your mom will say that your activity time starts, you will bring something and start speaking about it. Suppose I have a pen. So you say, ma'am, this is my pen. This is green in color. It is made up of plastic. It helps me to write. I use my pen to write beautiful poems. I use my pen to complete my homework. And I use my pen to complete my answer sheets. And my pen helps me in studies. So this is called show and tell. जब आप किसी चीज को दिखाते हैं और उसके बारे में बताते हैं, ये होता है show and tell. आप कुछ भी चीज दिखा सकते हैं, आप कोई डॉल दिखा सकते हैं, आप कोई प्लांट दिखा सकते हैं, आप कोई कैलेंडर दिखा सकते हैं, आप फोन दिखा सकते हैं. So you can show anything and you can talk about that. So that is the English activity for classes 1 and 2. And English activity will also have 5 marks. 2 marks for presentation. How are you presenting? आप उसको अच्छे से दिखा के बोल रहे हो या otherwise like just randomly you are speaking. Then the 2 marks are there for your content. Means what are you speaking? Are you grammatically correct? Are you pronouncing the word properly? And 1 mark is for your confidence. Means are you hesitant in speaking or you are speaking it confidently? So 5 marks for your activity and for classes 1 and 2, that activity is show and tell. So my dear students of classes 1 and 2, watch this video carefully and prepare for your English oral exams accordingly. For Hindi exam, what you have to do, that I will tell you tomorrow in another video. All the best.